IELTS Speaking Part 2, Keyword. Describe something you like to keep fit or healthy. I like to keep fit. And what sort of strategy do you like to follow? Explain all these things. Well, to be perfectly honest, jogging is incredibly crucial for our health and fitness. When I was in young, I used to play football, cricket almost every day. So I know jogging and exercise is pretty normal for me. And I knew that it's it's improve our cardiovascular health, maintain healthy weight, and reduce stress, which is wonderful. The harsh reality is nowadays I'm quite busy. I got a sedentary lifestyle, so I don't have that much time to exercise at regular basis. But I do exercise 4 times a week. In the morning, I do start with early in the morning. At the day, it's a very quiet place. It's a very healthy place at that time. So I start with some big squat and then warm up something. Posture. I do some right posture, leg posture. After that, I do some vigorous exercise. For provision, I had some water, snacks, and few days, which energized me. Wonderful. Apparently, I love to listening music and educational podcasts while I'm jogging, and that motivates me so much. Also, I use fitness apps on my mobile, which help me to track my progress. Now I am as fit as fitter. I genuinely enjoy jogging nowadays because I do exercise 3 or 4 times a week, and I'm pretty much conscious about that. In future also,